Which of the following compound in which urea is soluble? Water, ethanol, glycerol, or all of the above? And the correct answer is all of the above. Which of the following contains 46% of nitrogen? Urea, nitro limestone, superphosphate, or NPK fertilizer? And the correct answer is urea. Which of the following is called nitro limestone? Urea, calcium ammonium nitrate, superphosphate, or triple phosphate? And the correct answer is calcium ammonium nitrate. White phosphorus is more reactive than red phosphorus because of ignition point of view, because of color point of view, because of structure point of view, or none of the above. And the correct answer is because of structure point of view. Which of the following is also known as carbamide? Urea, NPK fertilizer, nitro limestone, or none of the above? And the correct answer is urea. One of the two forms of phosphorus is soluble in water and carbon disulphide: rhombic phosphorus, white phosphorus, red phosphorus, or yellow phosphorus. And the correct answer is white phosphorus. The chemical process by which atmospheric nitrogen is converted into combined form through chemical and biological action is called fixation of nitrogen, nitrogen cycle, liquefaction of nitrogen, or non-reactivity of nitrogen. And the correct answer is fixation of nitrogen. Temporary hardness of water is due to presence of nitrates of calcium and magnesium, sulfates of calcium and magnesium, bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium, or sulfate of magnesium and potassium. And the correct answer is bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. Which process can be used to remove permanent hardness of water? Ion exchange column, boiling process, lime softening, or none of the above? And the correct answer is ion exchange column. Permanent hardness of water is due to sulfate compound, chloride, nitrates, and sulfate of calcium and magnesium, nitrates of calcium and potassium, or none of the above? And the correct answer is chloride, nitrates, and sulfate of calcium and magnesium. Watch our other videos. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell icon.